What is sales velocity? Imagine your shop. People come in to inquire about your products, some might leave, but hopefully, many become paying customers. Sales velocity is all about how quickly those inquiries turn into sales. The faster you convert those interested customers, the more sales you'll ring up. Let's take an example of a coffee shop with one slow barista. The line gets long, customers get frustrated, and sales suffer. That's low sales velocity. Now imagine a coffee shop with a well-trained team. Lines move quickly, customers are happy, and sales are booming. That's high sales velocity. Factors that affect sales velocity. Number of opportunities, more deals in the pipeline means more potential customers. Value, bigger deals on average bring in more revenue per sale. Win rate, converting more leads into sales keeps the conveyor belt moving. Sales cycle, getting deals through the pipeline faster makes everything flow smoother. Calculating sales velocity. Sales velocity equals number of opportunities multiplied by average deal value multiplied by win rate divided by length of sales cycle. Let's consider a hypothetical example to illustrate how to calculate sales velocity. Number of opportunities, 100. Average deal value, $25,000. Win rate, 30%. Length of sales cycle, 90 days. Sales velocity equals $83,333 per day. In this example, the company is a business to consumers generating revenue at a rate of $83,333 per day. Tracking your sales velocity helps you see overall sales performance, areas for improvement, and resource allocation. Sales velocity gives you valuable insights to optimize your sales engine and race towards success. Follow this space for more tips on boosting your sales velocity.